Happy Saturday, my friends, and welcome back to another work from home job lead video. If you are new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always searching the internet, trying to find the best work from home jobs available and bringing them straight to you on a daily basis. So make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you never miss another work from home job lead. Some of these job leads go quickly, so it's important if you find one that you are interested in that you get your application in quickly. So always have a resume ready. But with that being said, I am really excited to be bringing this job lead to you. Louis Vuitton, the luxury brand that some of us all know and love, is hiring for some work from home positions. And when I saw this, I just knew I had to share in case this appealed to anyone. They actually have two positions that I'm going to link down below. One is this client services client advisor, work from home, and the other one is for a team lead for the client services group. So since one is a team lead for the other, we will just go over one of them. It says that Louis Vuitton Client Services is seeking a group of client advisors that will specifically service the Hawaiian Standard Time Zone client. So you need to make sure that you can work within that time zone. And when we get to it, they are hiring for nighttime hours. I know a lot of people have been asking for part-time nighttime, so this may appeal to you. It says, do you see yourself as a true personal advisor? They value forward-thinking individuals eager to supply their creativity and abilities to the success and strong heritage of the brand. So they are looking for someone to handle a complete range of calls as well as written communication, including, but not limited to, product inquiries and sales, fielding calls for connected store services and associates, Hawaii store information or location, after sales service support, policies, and customer service issues. They're looking for someone to drive and achieve key performance metrics such as sales, productivity, and quality, and someone who is willing to learn and master the brand and product knowledge, company, and departmental information and initiatives. So this is a customer service position, and so they're really just asking for someone who has experience in a client-centric retail environment or a strong history involving customer service and dealing with a diverse or luxury clientele. So they're just looking for someone who has customer service or retail experience. They want someone who has great interpersonal skills because you will be working with the high-end customers, and someone who is delightful to the customers. So no degree is required for this position. They are also looking for someone, due to the hours of support, whoever they hire should be able to work evening overnight shifts ranging from 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. Central Standard Time or 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Central Standard Time. So this is perfect for those of you looking for evening overnight hours. I know I've had that request several times in the comments, so here you go. Not only do you get evening overnight hours, but you get to work with a luxury brand. They do ask that you have a secure private space to conduct your work from home and that you have sufficient home internet speeds. And it does not say the pay that they will offer, but it says they offer competitive pay as well as paid training. So all training is paid. They also offer a generous benefit package. And we're talking, this is Louis Vuitton. They have an image to uphold, so I'm sure they will pay well. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If this job lead was not for you, that's okay. I have several playlists linked down below where you may find a job lead that is better suited for you and your needs. And have no fear, I'll be back very soon with another work from home job lead just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.